Hey, what's up everybody? It's Tay and welcome to my YouTube channel. Pretty much what this look is going to be is just sunset colors from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, which is really dope. I love the bright orange. I love anything that's warm toned and super pigmented. So this palette has it. Yeah, I guess you could say I kind of look like a pumpkin with my green hair and orange eyes, but there's nothing wrong with Halloween in the summer. Since I want this color to be really bold, I am packing it on with my finger because I noticed that's how it's most pigmented. So I'm going to do a really hard line with this pink eyeshadow and then I'm going to blend it out later. I just want to make sure it's super pigmented to blend in with the orange. And I don't even know how long it was since I made a video, but this was recorded a very long time ago, and then I got sick. And then when I got sick for about 2 weeks, and it took me a minute to marinate in the medicine. And yeah, there's just been a lot going on. I actually still have a cough. I was feeling bold and smoked 2 vapes at once the entire day, and then I woke up and my voice was gone. So yeah, don't do that. The girl blended. Indulging. BRB. Like, bam! I found the most bold, cheapest blue eyeliner I could find, and I applied that all under the waterline and on the waterline. Taking that same pink, I'm just going under the waterline and blending that out, splashing on some yellow from that same palette. I thought the gold looked really nice from the Huda Beauty palette, Huda Beauty palette, and I applied that in that corner as well. Bam! Favorite part of every look is just adding glitter wherever and all over. Yes. The gold NYX glitter goals. Glitter gold NYX, applying it under. Why am I talking like this? Bam, bam, bam. I think the yellow needed a friend, so I'm just adding some more gold glitter on top of that as well in the corner of the eye, so that way it could just pop a little bit more. It was getting really dark really fast and I started to panic, so I hope that everything looks a-okay. So even though I finished with the black eyeliner, I still went over top with the white just to correct it a little bit more. I felt like you couldn't really see it. Now I wonder if this eyeliner is white enough to glow in the black light. I should try that sometime. I wish I could have been more narrative for y'all, but at the same time I was coughing in between every recording and I still sound like shit. So I hope you enjoyed me doing a sunset inspired video during a sunset, literally. I got bit the hell up. We're gonna go bathe in citronella now.